hear salami and bean?
I think of a hobo. Another retro recipe that we will make so you don't have to make.
Yes, we're excited. Thank you. Welcome back to Recipe Archaeology. We're super excited that you're here. Go ahead and like us on Facebook and Instagram. Like this video. Share with your neighbors. Share with your countrymen. I have a new cookbook.
We're back in Better Homes.
Better Homes and Gardens.
Cookbook.
The new cookbook.
Show our friends what you microwave cookbook.
Microwave.
1976?
1976, Meredith Corporation out of Des Moines, Iowa. This is the 7th printing, actually. So this was a popular book. By the way, in this cookbook, it calls cooking, or like do the art of using the microwave, micro cooking. The contents page, look over here, look at that. Okay, so we've got like things, tantalizing microwave recipes. Meals prepared by microwave, and then microwave plus. Yes, microwave plus means that you use it like the stove plus the microwave, in tandem together to make a delicious meal.
Saute, then pop in the microwave.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, just a little bit. But today we're going out of appetizers, snacks, and beverages because, I mean, who doesn't love an appetizer? I love an app.
I love apps.
You know, the other day, all I did was order apps. Like we had a whole bunch of people at a table, and all we did was order appetizers.
Oh, completely, completely.
But today, on Recipe Archaeology,
we are
gonna make salami bean appetizers.
Well, tell me how to make salami.
We're gonna elevate your hobo dinner into something different. Are you ready? Yes. Because this is micro cooked to the best degree.
Okay,
everyone.
Tell me what to do.
Super excited.
Tell me what to do.
You're gonna need 1 8-ounce can of pork and beans and tomato sauce. 1 medium dill pickle, cut up. These are not tropicals, everybody.
No, they're
These are just
normal
regular, normal pickles.
Dills. We're gonna cut that up.
We're gonna cut that up. 1 tablespoon of prepared mustard. And 8 ounces of salami cut into pieces, which I just got the one that was already cut up.
Yeah, 8 ounces. This is 16 ounces, so half of this package.
Half that package.
Okay.
Okay, and then you're gonna need 64 rich round crackers.
Our favorite.
Ritz,
Nothing
man.
tastes better.
All right, here's what you do.
Yep.
You ready?
Yep.
Combine your pork and beans, cut up dill pickle, and mustard in a blender.
We're gonna blend this. We're gonna smooth it up.
That's exactly it. And with the blender running, you're gonna add your salami.
Then what happens?
Okay, so then after you're done with that, you spread about half a tablespoon onto each cracker.
Okay.
And you can trim the with chopped dill pickle around if desired, which we're definitely gonna do.
Yeah, for sure.
And then you're gonna place 16 of those crackers on a paper plate on paper toweling. So paper plate, paper towel, Ritz crackers that have all the stuff on them. And then micro cook, uncovered till hot, about a minute. Serve it once, repeat 3 or more times. Now, this makes Stephanie very nervous because...
A whole minute for just a plate of crackers?
Right. So we looked in the front, and in the front of this, it tells you what all of the recipes were based off of. So these recipes in this cookbook from 1976 were based off of a wattage of 600 to 700 watts per microwave. Your microwave...
which is a normal microwave, is 1100 watts. So if you're micro cooking at home, make sure you know your wattage and adjust the time accordingly.
Please do not do this for a minute and then at us and be like, well, Stephanie and Christine, I did it for a minute, then it blew up my microwave.
Let's make this.
Let's make it. Oh, here we come. Look at that. Look at those beans. In tomato sauce, specifically in tomato sauce. Oh, look at all that. Look at that. That looks awesome.
Okay, put that pickle in
Pickles
there.
going in. Pickles in. Okay.
Okay, now while I blend,
I'm gonna chop
why
up.
don't you chop up some more pickle?
Because we gotta trim them.
I'm just gonna do a little bit at a time.
And it says you can scrape the sides down too if you want.
I don't know why it makes that weird clicking noise.
What is that noise?
It's probably about to explode. You know, we could have done this in the
Food processor?
too. Probably would have worked just as well or better.
How's it looking?
Like,
Baby
diarrhea.
Oh, it doesn't look appetizing? Y'all.
What this looks like.
I mean, it's gonna be great. We're gonna assemble these things. Assembly line style. Spread about a half a tablespoon
That looks like half a tablespoon.
of the mixture on each cracker and trim with dill pickle, if
Okay.
desired. This is with the pickle, and we'll do another plate without pickle, and then we'll microwave, and we'll
It
eat
takes a second. And then...
Okay. Oh, it's bubbling. Okay.
Take it out. Let me see.
It looks horrible. It's so weird because they've bubbled up
I think
around
we
the
should try this one first.
outside. I mean, oh, that cracker is not compromised at all.
No, surprised. Ready?
Oh, cheers.
Cheers.
Here we go.
Salty.
That's real salty.
A lot of mustard flavor. The dill, the vinegar, I'm making our drinks.
I don't know if I like it or I hate it.
Pickle. Now this is the one where we garnished it with pickle.
I sure did.
And
Okay.
then- okay.
Here we go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Even more pickle flavor.
So it's like salty and vinegary.
I don't think you should serve this at a party.
Oh my god.
It's so salty.
I mean, seriously. Oh.
You kind of want to eat another one, don't you?
I do, but I don't know why. What if you had a salt deficiency and you needed to get salt in your diet?
Yeah.
Is that a thing? Y'all, don't do this. There's no reason to go through all this trouble. Just have the
it's too much
salami.
work.
Just eat the salami. You know what's better than
Pickle?
this?
Anything.
Anything else. Anything else.
Well, yeah, I bet it freezes nicely.
I bet it freezes beautifully. But then what are we gonna do with it? What do you do
Could
with
you
this
add
thing?
some mayo and make it like a ham salad spread?
I'm gonna have to add something that has no salt in it whatsoever.
All
Don't
right.
do that.
Thanks for watching, friends.
We love you.
Tell us what your favorite microwave meal is.
Tell us what you micro cook.
good to go.